Morning guys. I didn't get up there. It's after 9 there. I'm not long up. No fishing with me, so no fishing this morning. I kind of missed it, but had a lovely sleep. Woke up once short in the night. Yeah, it was really nice. I set up my tablet over there and I threw some nuts out. Which noise? I'm just dumping weight now for the pack up. Stuff that I'm not going to eat, so I'll leave this for the wildlife, for the birds. So I'll put all these down and I set up this my tablet. Thought I might put it to use. It's got like 3/4 of a battery. So you can film the little bears. As you can see here, getting ready to pack up. Go through everything. The tent will go out the back, or it'll be on the bottom, because she'll still have a bit of damp in her, and I don't want to just let her all set. I'll air it as well. I'll give the tent an air for an hour, and get a bit of condensation on the top. See, I don't want to be putting that up now. We're out here now, and just keep it like this is my 4th year going out in that tent, 4th summer. Not bad for €120. I will be upgrading it to the other van going, and the reason it's not, because that's still fine, but that weighs 2.4 kilos, and the other one I want is 1.1 kilos. So you see where I'm going with that. It's an extra 1.5 kilos off my kit. So I want to really get a kit down to with water and food. I want to have under 15 ultimately, but you need to spend money to get the weight down. There's no denying that. So I have done it on a budget for many years. The mat there, the Thermarest, was €100. And my bag there, well, that was 140, and so were the boots. You know, so the bag and the boots were probably my dearest item. They were, when I look around, they were, and all the rest were 198 for the sleeping bag, 100 for the mat, 120 for the tent. Yeah, the cook set was 75. A few other bits and pieces, you know, so you can do it on a budget. Again, I'm saying clothes, guys, clothes, the right layers. I wasn't cold there last night, and they don't have to be expensive. I mean, you don't have to come down in your best Under Armour gear. I mean, this one here I have is a Trespass. The long johns, the top and the bottom, cost me €20. The breathable gear I use is Trespass. Well, this is Solomon. This was okay. This was a little bit dearer. But most of it, these trousers, €40. They're not Columbia. What's the other ones? Crag hoppers. Yeah, so the boots, they're the Solomons, and they're worth the money. Yeah, rain jacket. You know, one of these puppies. This is another Crag hopper. This was €60. So I mean, these are clothes that the jacket and the tops you can wear at home anyway, you know. So yeah, so look, I'm gonna pack up. Have to hike, the usual hike, but that doesn't bother me at all. In fact, I look forward to it. All in all, if I have to go all the way down to Roundwood, it's like a 10k hike maybe. What's it, six from the gate out there, maybe 8k. Up and downhill on roads, most of it. But yeah, I've done it before, so. So I'll get down to the town, I'm sure, in time for lunch. I might have a big roast beef down in the pub. And who knows, a pint maybe. Okay, talk soon, bye. Beautiful here this morning. How it didn't rain last night is beyond me. I just couldn't fathom it. I was really sure. About 4 o'clock then big clouds came. Even out there now, them ones are a bit blacker than I like. I don't mind the rain, to be quite honest. It's kind of nice, the elements and that. But it's nice in here, listening to all them birds singing. They're all up there, see all their nests. But me is sure that there's peregrine falcons up there. So I'd say that might be a big threat for them. Survival of the fittest. Anyways, back soon. Okay, so guys, heading on now. He thinks it's going to rain, look at that. So let's do the hike. You've no trace. Bring all your rubbish with you. There's a bin over there actually. But I always bring rubbish with me. So, another nice day. I think it's around 12 now. A nice 2 days away from the city. I'm just chilling out on my own. I would have missed the lads a bit, you know. It would have been nice if some of our lads were down, you know. But at the same time, some time to yourself is just that peace and no one around. That's wonderful. How may I be able to do that? You know, so back soon. So I'm out on the road again. Yeah, nice couple there. And they gave me this. I just stepped out off the mountain and onto the road, and they were setting up in the farmers being big. So they knew him and the sons and that. So I got a lift to Old Town. We're out about another 3k maybe. 2k, but still k's to work. And still a bit of a hike out here down to Roundwood. Still okay. Yeah, so back soon on tight. Remember this, guys? It's in one of my other videos. I'll put it up above the suggestion up the top. I came down here and put my initials in that there. MH 18. You can't really make out the 18. Wasn't that great? Not last year. Still there. Anyways, there. It's nice little river there. It's very nice. Up that way.